Goa is known for its beautiful beaches and vibrant nightlife, but it's also a foodie paradise. The cuisine in Goa is unique blend of Indian, French, Italian, Chinese, Portuguese. Oh, the list is huge. And on top of that, with a view like that, well, that's what I call a perfection. This is truly a heaven for food lovers. In this vlog, I'm going to take you around some of the best restaurants and cafes in Goa. First up my list, my favorite, Merzigaon. Merzigaon is a beautiful place in Asagaon where wellness, health living and great food come together.
Wow.
It's truly a place to relax and revive. Set among wide area of plants and wildlife, this place will simply leave you awestruck.
Wow, this is such a quiet place. You can just go deep and deep inside this cafe and you can explore a lot.
Around every corner is a new secret pathway leading to special spots such as hidden statues, a water well, two ponds, and hillside yoga shala. Apart from tasty food and amazing vibe, you can also explore relaxing massages which starts from 2500 rupees only. For food, I would say it's as per Goa luxury restaurant standard, which is around 2800 to 3000 for two, and food is certainly very tasty. If you're looking for a restaurant with a beautiful sea view, then Thalassa could be next up your list. Thalassa is a beautiful outdoor waterfront space with a uniquely Greek Goan heartbeat. Thalassa offers wide variety of cuisines like Greek, Mediterranean, seafood, fast food, bar food, Goan beverages. Food here is little on higher side, but we cannot deny the fact that they serve some of the best food.
Well, the menu here is very enticing and you have a lot of options. But as I said, the prices are a little on the higher end, but the vibe here is amazing. It just gives a very greasy and boho kind of vibes, all in white. You can have a good picture and a good clicks for your Instagram.
Have you ever tasted a scrumptious burger? Well, if you haven't visited this place, your quest is not over yet. Burger Factory has the best burgers in Goa. It's a small cozy place in Anjuna, but you would have to wait a bit before you can have your bite, as this place is always full. Do give this a try if you're a burger fan.
The burger that I'm gonna have is chicken burger, of course. So this, guys, is a burger paradise. Such tasty burger. If you're coming to Goa, you must come.
Next up for Indian food lover, this fantastic place named Oyalo. This place is a very cozy place in Anjuna which serves tasty and scrumptious Indian cuisine. Their veg and fish thali are the must to try and they serve in a very exquisite way, that is on a mud thali.
Oh, I'm so full right now and the food was so satisfying that I had a lot of food and right now I'm just full.
When coming to Goa, I'm sure everyone wants to have a beautiful sunset beach view while having food. I have got for you the most affordable and beautiful place, Lush. I extremely enjoyed the view and the food with fantastic music. Craving for some yummy and tasty sandwiches? Goa Grill is the perfect place for it. It's a small cafe in Seolim and I just love the sandwiches here. It's very good option for a quick bite. Big Sandwiches and Rabbit Hole are the other that top my list. It serves some very tasty breakfast menu, and trust me, you will be totally confused after seeing the menu. Salads of Rabbit Hole is amazing and perfect place to chill, relax, and do try some diverse options for sandwiches in Big Sandwiches as well. Do not forget to explore the secret door in Big Sandwiches that lead to an old style bar. Next up my list is Prana Cafe. OMG, this place serves some exquisite menu and you will not find it anywhere else. They have very limited menu, but servings are superb and taste is divine. You will fall in love with the food the moment you see it. Saving the best for the last is Dunes in Mandram. Well, it's obvious food would be very tasty, but it's quite affordable too as compared to other places in Goa. This is one of my favorite, right in front of the beach. I think I've tried everything in their menu and I was never disappointed. My favorites are egg cheese toast, pizza, and fish with salads. That's it for my list of the best places to eat in Goa. I hope this vlog would be helpful in planning your next foodie adventure in this beautiful state. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.